Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fusion key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 or CR2450 coin cell battery, depending on your specific fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process, helping you get your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Now let's open the key fob. Many Ford Fusion key fobs have a small notch, often near where a physical key would be. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old battery. Then, take your new CR2032 or CR2450 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as lock, unlock, and trunk release, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.